Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by completing KYC and linking PAN, and Aadhaar so trades clear without delays. Next, pick a SEBI-registered broker whose app you can navigate. Fees and order types matter because they affect net returns. Once done, fund your trading account using UPI, NEFT, or net banking. Make sure you respect daily limits and T+0/T+2 settlement timing. That gets you immediately ready to place a buy order for Reliance shares. Now you find Reliance Industries using its ticker and confirm NSE or BSE to avoid wrong listings. Decide. Use a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to control maximum price. This trade-off affects execution certainty versus price. Once chosen, enter quantity, confirm you have sufficient balance or margin, and review brokerage, GST, and any stamp duty. Then submit the order and monitor execution status until the trade is filled in your ledger. After execution, confirm Reliance shares appear in your demat and trading ledger. Remember, settlement completes by T+2, so holdings update accordingly. Then set stop-loss and target prices or create a systematic SIP plan if you intend gradual accumulation. These controls manage risk and discipline. If something goes wrong, an order rejected or partial fill, first check available margin, whether you picked the correct exchange and order type, and read broker alerts. Contacting support with the trade ID usually resolves issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.